What does the word construction mean? Options are A. Repairing old machines, B. Building structures, C. Painting walls, D. Cleaning tools. The correct answer is building structures. Which term refers to a place where buildings are being made? Options are A. Workshop, B. Office, C. Construction site, D. Warehouse. The correct answer is construction site. What is a tool used for on a construction site? Options are A. Decoration, B. Measuring time, C. Performing work tasks, D. Storing materials. The correct answer is performing work tasks. What does safety helmet help to do? Options are A. Carry materials, B. Improve vision, C. Protect the head, D. Increase speed. The correct answer is protect the head. Which word means mixing materials like cement, sand, and water? Options are A. Lifting, B. Mixing, C. Cutting, D. Painting. The correct answer is mixing. What does scaffolding provide at a construction site? Options are A. Storage space, B. Temporary working support, C. Electrical power, D. Water supply. The correct answer is temporary working support. Which term refers to materials used to build structures? Options are A. Equipment, B. Furniture, C. Construction materials, D. Packaging. The correct answer is construction materials. What does measurement mean in construction work? Options are A. Estimating cost, B. Checking quality, C. Finding length or size, D. Counting workers. The correct answer is finding length or size. What is the purpose of cement in construction? Options are A. Decoration, B. Cleaning surfaces, C. Binding building materials together, D. Painting walls. The correct answer is binding building materials together. What does inspection mean on a construction site? Options are A. Moving materials, B. Repairing tools, C. Checking work for correctness, D. Hiring workers. The correct answer is checking work for correctness.